To subset image, open Erdas Imagine 2014 and right-click on Open Raster Layer. Go to Destination Path, Add Data and open Toposheet. Go to Drawing button from the Viewer menu bar and select Polygon. Now click Draw a polygon on the all corner of the Toposheet and save as AOI. Now click on all corners and double click. Go to Raster toolbar and select Create Subset button. Add input and output data. Click Ignore 0 in Output Stats button and choose AOI Viewer. And finally OK. Now you will get final output data.